Hi, this is a quick review about Microscope Model ADSM302. This is a professional microscope. What I like about it is that you can connect it directly to a power bank and then it is fully portable. So let's start with the demonstration. I have here a tiny board, and if I want to do any repair, it is very hard to see the component, which some of them I think they are a size of 402 PCB components. So let's see how it goes. So I will power it on from the power bank, and we will see the picture and the quality of the picture. I will do a zoom in to the LCD that came with the microscope. You can use or LCD or an external monitor, so you're able to see the very tiny details. I will move it a little around and you can see the component very well. It is a very good picture indeed. You can see each details and try to find broken connection if you suspect thing like this. What I like about it is that actually you can control the light, the light intense, and then also you can do a zoom in and out, doing it here from the buttons. So you can actually zoom it higher to very high details. Now it is zoom 3, but you also have the zoom of the camera. And the camera, if you will notice, you have a quite good distance between the PCB and the lens, what makes it easy to work with, and for example to use a soldering iron, and you have enough room for this. Okay, I will now connect it to an external monitor. You can use it in order to see a much bigger picture. So I will move now to the Samsung LCD monitor, and the disadvantage is that when you're connecting it, it will automatically disconnect the small LCD that came with it. So this is a mini HDMI port. Now I'm connecting it and we are able to see a very big picture in the LCD. I will try to zoom. Also, what took me some time to find out, that if you put this let's say lower, so you can't move and adjust the focus as I can now in the picture. Now the focus is adjusted and you can see the high quality of the picture. I have to say that I'm very impressed, because the price is not that high. It costs less than $300, and for such quality it's really worth the price, to my opinion. And this is basically all. You can also adjust the light source and to get a picture that more suitable to you, also to control the light source, if it is brighter or lower brightness. And as you can see, a very good picture. Very nice picture of the tiny PCB. This is a Wi-Fi Intel card with many details. Let's go to the other side of the card, and here you can see the barcode and many details, and you can do a fix connection with a soldering iron without any problem. So that's all. I will put a link in the description where to find it and to buy it, and thank you and bye bye.